We have also seen that on the issue of the registration, in the county they are already at 150%, because they're supposed to register about 25,000, meaning that they're doing well on the issue of registration. The only challenge, again, that we have realized on that end is that when people register, again, they're not collecting IDs, because in Kisii County as a whole, we have a backlog of 12,000 IDs that are uncollected. We would want to urge Mwananchi to, when you register, make sure you follow up. And the process nowadays, and especially where we have the live capture machines, is taking a shorter period for IDs to be produced, and citizens should go for them. This will also enable them to exercise their democratic right of voting when we come next year. So we also urge them that when you get the IDs, ensure that you register as a voter, to give you an opportunity to make a decision when we come to that.